Hello and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Carly and I'm owner of Just Fake It. Please make sure you subscribe to my channel, and if you find this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up. Are you struggling to get your clients' crystals to last until they come back for their next appointment? If so, you're in the right place. Keep watching. After cleansing the finished nail, I use Colour Me Pretty Decor Gel. This is a thick viscosity gel and doesn't self-level, which means you can take your time placing the crystals without the others sliding around. Using an orange wood stick, place a thin and even layer of decor gel where you want the crystals to be. This gel is perfect, especially for larger crystals, as it creates an even surface between the crystal and the nail and stops any gaps from forming where things can get caught. Next, my little secret for maximum adhesion is the Colour Me Pretty Stuck On You Dip System Base Gel. Before curing the decor gel, I float the smallest amount of the base gel over the top. You want to make sure you work on small areas at a time and work quickly as this adhesive air dries. Next, pick up the crystals and place them down on the nail. I'm using my crystal artifact tool from Emerson Crystals. Take me to your soul. When you're happy with the design, place the nails in your lamp to cure. I cure mine in an LED lamp from Colour Me Pretty for 90 seconds. Once your nails have finished curing, go back in with your chosen top coat and a fine liner brush and carefully paint around the outside of the nail. This just helps smooth everything out and ensures that there are no gaps between the crystals. Now this part is totally optional, but I go back in with one more layer of top coat. I find that this helps smooth and flatten out the surface of the nail and avoids any lumps and bumps from appearing on different angles. All the crystals I use are genuine Swarovski. I purchased mine from Emerson Crystals. I'll also have a discount code for you too. You can find that in the description box below.